Math lesson number 1. Adding and subtracting integers. Adding integers with like signs. When we say like signs, both addends have the same sign. It's either both are positive or both are negative. To add two positive integers or two negative integers, simply add the absolute values of the addends and prefix the common sign to the sum. So when we say absolute values or absolute value, it is the distance from the integer to 0. And when we say addends or addends, these are the numbers that are being added. Okay, so let's have example 2 plus 3. So in this example, the absolute value of 2 is 2, the absolute value of 3 is 3. We add those absolute values, we have 5, and copy the sign which is positive. So the answer is positive 5. But we don't need to write the positive anymore. It is already understood that it is positive 5. Now let's have more examples. 3 plus 4 equals 7. The absolute value of 3 is 3. The absolute value of 4 is 4. 3 plus 4, 7. And then copy the positive sign. The answer is positive 7. 5 plus 16, 21. 13 plus 21, 34. 31 plus 47, 78. And 56 plus 60 equals 116. Now, take note of this. If both positive integers are being added, the result is also positive. So that's one observation in this example. Next, let's have two negative integers. So we have negative 2 plus negative 3. So the absolute value of negative 2 is 2. The absolute value of negative 3 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. But take note of this. The sign is negative, so copy the negative sign. The answer is negative 5. So negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. Let's have more examples. Negative 3 plus negative 4. The absolute value of negative 3 is 3. The absolute value of negative 4 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. But the sign is negative, so copy the sign. The answer is negative 7. Same with negative 5 plus negative 16. The answer is negative 21. Now, take note of this. If both negative integers are being added, the result or the difference, the sum, is also negative. Now let's proceed to unlike signs. To add two integers with unlike signs, simply find the positive difference of the absolute values of the addends and prefix the sign of the larger absolute value to the sum. So let's have an example. Negative 2 plus 3. So negative 2 is negative, 3 is positive, so unlike sign. Now first, let's get the absolute value of negative 2. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2. The absolute value of 3 is 3. Get the difference, the positive difference. 3 minus 2 is 1. Copy the sign of the larger number or the larger absolute value, which is 3. The sign of 3 is positive, therefore the answer is positive 1. Let's have more examples. Negative 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. Negative 3, the absolute value is 3. 4, the absolute value is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Copy the sign of the larger, which is positive. The answer is positive 1. Same with negative 5 plus 16. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. The absolute value of 16 is 16. 16 minus 5 is 11. Copy the sign of the larger, which is 16, and the sign is positive. The answer is positive 11. Negative 13 plus 21 is 8. Negative 31 plus 47 is 16. And negative 56 plus 60 is equal to 4. Next, let's have another example. 2 plus negative 3. So the absolute value of 2 is 2. The absolute value of negative 3 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. But take note, the larger absolute value is 3. And the sign of 3 is negative. Therefore, the final answer is negative 1. Let's have more examples. 3 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 1. 5 plus negative 16 is equal to negative 11. 13 plus negative 21 is equal to negative 8. Now, one observation here is that the larger number or the larger absolute value here has the sign of negative. That's why the final answer is negative. So that's one observation. Now let's proceed to subtracting integers. To subtract integers, we add the minuend to the opposite of subtrahend. The sign of the minuend remains the same. Now, in this pattern, a minus b, a here is the minuend, b is the subtrahend. Now, a, the minuend, must remain the same. And then, we change the sign, we change the operation. This one is negative, we change to, this one is minus, we change to plus. And then we change the sign of the subtrahend. So, that's the rule. We add the minuend to the opposite of subtrahend. So, the opposite of subtrahend is, if it is positive, the opposite is negative. If it is negative, the opposite is positive. So, just follow this pattern. Now, let's have an example on how to follow the pattern. So, a minus b is equal to a plus negative b. 3 minus 4, just a here is 3, b is 4. So 3 plus negative 4. And then follow the rule in addition. This one is larger, so copy the sign of the negative, sign of the larger, which is negative. So 3 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 1. Or 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1. Next, let's have 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is just equal to 4 plus, change the sign of 3, which is to become negative. So we have 4 plus negative 3 is equal to 1. So this one is unlike signs. So 4 minus 3, 1. Copy the sign of the larger, which is 4. 1 is positive. Next, let's have negative 3 minus negative 3 minus 4. So a here is negative 3. B is 4. Okay, so we have negative 3. Change minus to plus. Change 4 to negative 4. And then, as you notice, like signs, two addends that are like, or they have the same sign, are being, of course, added. So negative 3 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 7. So just copy the sign, which is negative. Next, negative 4 minus 3. Same thing. The minuend remains the same. The subtrahend will be changed. So from 3 becomes negative 3. And then the minus becomes plus. And then do the rule in addition. Negative 4 plus negative 3. Same signs or like signs. We have negative 7. Next, 3 minus negative 4. the minuend is 3, so the minuend remains the same. Minus, plus, negative 4 becomes 4, so 3 plus 4 is 7. So meaning to say 3 minus negative 4 is just equal to 3 plus 4. Simple as that. 4 minus negative 3 is just equal to 4 plus 3, which is 7. So take note of the pattern. If you have two negatives in the middle of the operation, in the middle of the expression, it can be changed to positive. So negative, negative, positive. Negative, negative, positive. So simple as that. Next. So at the middle you have also negative and negative. So it will be changed to positive. Simple as that. Following the rule in subtracting integers. So the minuend remains the same. Negative 3 plus 4. Follow unlike sign rule in addition. Becomes 1. Negative 4 minus negative 3. Two negatives at the middle become positive. So negative 4 plus 3, follow the rule in addition. The answer is negative 1.